A silverback gorilla is the largest and strongest primate on the planet. His mighty chest beat travels nearly a mile, a warning to other males. Keep away. Meet Macumba, one of the world's best-studied lowland gorillas, with one of the most impressive legacies of any silverback. He's lived and ruled far longer than most males do. But now, at the ripe old age of 40, his most powerful days are behind him. There's not much peace for Macumba with a family like this. One awkward adolescent, two toddlers, always up to no good, and an adventurous 6-month-old who needs constant watching. Macumba's 2 females are on his back too. Macumba must prove he can still protect and provide, or they'll abandon him for a younger, fitter male. Macumba is also on the move. Lowland gorillas may travel over 3 miles a day in search of fruit. Perhaps it's time for a pit stop. Like elephants, gorillas need vast quantities of vegetation, helping to break down toxins and extract the meager nutrition. But digesting over 20 pounds of greens a day has consequences.